and all present here. Good morning to all. As you all know that today we have gathered here to attend the workshop on intellectual property rights. But before starting today's proceedings, I request all of you to stand up for the DAV Gan.
निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु ऋषि उद्घोष अभय दिए जय जय दिए जय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता पुनीता वेधावा अक्षय दिए जय जय दिए जय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए जय जय दिए जय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरे प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांति में प्रबल क्रांति में लिए अटल निश्चय दिए जय जय दिए जय जय.
Thank you everyone. With your permission, Principal Sir. DAV College Jalandhar has always been the front runner in shaping the careers of students by providing them with an excellent education, moral values and various platforms to excel. In this regard, under the guidance of our Principal Sir, the institution's Innovation Council was constituted to cater to the needs of students with innovative ideas of social relevance and thereby spreading a culture of entrepreneurship among the students. IIC always encourages, inspires and nurture young students by supporting them to work with the new ideas and transform them into the prototypes while they are in their informative years. The institution's Innovation Council of the college has been organizing periodic workshops, seminars, interaction with entrepreneurs, investors, professionals, creating a mentor pool for the student innovators. In the continuation of various activities of the Council, today IIC in collaboration with SAWC has organized a workshop on intellectual property rights for our young brains. If we go by literal meaning of the intellectual property rights, they are the rights given to the persons over the creation of their minds. They give the creator an exclusive right over the use of their creation. To have deep insight into the topic, today we have among us Dr. Vanita Khanna from the Law Department, GNU Regional Campus, Jalandhar, who is an administrator, an author, an editor, a presenter, a teacher, a guide, a sports person and whatnot. She has more than 19 years of rich teaching experience. She has done her PhD in the field of IPR on topic the socio-legal aspects of Indian patent laws. She has been the principal investigator in a research project for the state of Punjab, Pro Bono Pan India Research Project. She has more than 50 international and national publications in Scopus and UGC index journals to her credit. She has been the research guide for various PhD students. She has been invited as a resource person as well as she has chaired various international and national conferences, seminars, workshops on IPR. She is the author and editor of the book on intellectual property rights. She has been on the editorial board of various national and international journals. She is a life member of the Indian Red Cross Society, Punjab State Lok Adalat Jalandhar Courts and Institute Moot Court Committee. She takes a keen interest in sports as well, and she is a national table tennis player, and this list goes on. So, our resource person is a renowned scholar in a field with a mission of IPR awareness. Respected ma'am, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome you to today's workshop. We are sure that it will be a great experience for our students to learn from the person of your stature. Now, I request Principal Sir to formally welcome Dr. Vanita Khanna with a floral welcome. I also request IIC Convener Dr. Rajiv Puri and Professor Manish Khanna, IPR Coordinator Dr. Naveen Sood, and all the members of IIC to accompany the Principal Sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request our worthy Principal Sir, Dr. Rajesh Kumar Ji, to give his blessings to all of us.
Thank you very much, Bhavna. A very honorable resource person for today's lecture on IPR, Dr. Vanita Khanna, Assistant Professor, Department of Law, Regional Campus, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. We have with us the convener of IAC in the college, Dr. Rajiv Puri, Dr. Naveen Sood, who is in charge of this activity. And this activity is being organized in collaboration with two different bodies or departments of the college. One is Institutions Innovation Council, that is IAC, and second is SAWC, Student Advisory and Welfare Council. The topic for today's talk, as it has been told by my student, that it is on IPR, intellectual property right, or intellectual property rights. So property is something that we possess, it's a possession for which we have to pay something and we acquire it. I have got 2 pens in my pocket. They're my property because I have purchased those pens by paying some money. I may have a piece of land anywhere, I may have house, car, for that matter, any possession I can have, that I say that is my property. And what right do I have on my property that if I am owning a car or a vehicle, that car is registered with RTA, Regional Transport Authority of the district. Earlier we used to call it as DTO office, District Transport Officer. And if I have got a house or a piece of land that is registered with the Revenue Department and Land Record Department of the Government of Punjab of the concerned district. Now what this intellectual property is? Intellectual property is your creation of your own mind. That is what your ideas are, what you think and what you innovate. If you have got something new idea in your mind, then for example there is a process designed for doing a particular activity. There is a particular design and you just think that this design can be improved upon. This process can be made better. And you add some features to that, so that means that is your thinking, that is your intellect, that is creation of your mind. So when you create those things, so property we got registered in the land record, our vehicle we got registered in RT office. Now the question arises that what is your innovation and how to get it registered? How does it become entirely your property? I think that is what we are going to know today, that what intellectual property is and what are the rights on that property. Where and how to register that property on your name so that nobody can use that property. Nobody can steal that property from you without your consent. So Dr. Vanita is going to speak on this aspect. Because ever since IAC has been established in the college, Dr. Rajiv Puri and his dedicated team of IAC, they are organizing various activities. Rather, it has developed a culture of entrepreneurship, innovations, and startups in the college. Various renowned speakers from different areas and experts have been invited to interact with the students. So Dr. Vinita is such a popular speaker, such an effective communicator and presenter that on the demands of the students, we have called her again. Please give her a big round of applause. Last time when she came, all the students, they were very happy and very satisfied, and they wanted to interact with her for some more time. So we gave the full session to Dr. Vinita today. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your valuable time. And I'm sure that our students are definitely going to be benefited from your talk and from your rich experience. So even I was telling you that Government of India has established a separate cell of these innovations, startups, and IPR related activities, because the focus of the government is that our students, they should learn how to innovate, how to make their startups, and how should they turn into entrepreneurs. Because earlier these things were not part of our syllabi. But when the time changes, the requirements change, then the curriculum automatically changes. The types of instructions in the classroom, they also change, because the main aim of any educational institution is the overall grooming of the student. For example, the students of commerce, when they go to the market after passing out their graduation or post-graduation from the college, and if they do not know that what's the market trend, so there is no use of that education. That's why we rope in different types of resource persons so that they can talk to you on different issues, current topics, and they can apprise you that what is happening in the market. So this is the main thing: innovations, startups, entrepreneurship, and IPR. So I won't take much time. I welcome our guest speaker, Dr. Vinita, and thank the authorities concerned with this, that is IIC and SAWC, for organizing this talk for the students. Thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request today's resource person, Dr. Vinita Khanna, to kindly come to the dais and deliver her lecture. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, ma'am. First of all, I wanted to wholeheartedly thank Principal Sir Dr. Rajesh, Dr. Rajiv Puri, Dr. Naveen for giving me an opportunity to interact with all of you who have those intellect and who are young minds with new ideas, because the subject is all about ideas. So before I commence with the topic or discussion, I have divided the whole part into three, the whole assignment into three parts. In the first one, I'll be narrating you and telling you about the difference, the basic difference between the branches or among the branches of all the IPR. In the second part, we have a small quiz where your intellect will reflect. And in the third part, we have certain stories out of which you will find out that which part or which branch of IPR that story is related to. So I don't know much about the branches or about the streams you all belong to, but I am very sure that this IPR, it is related to all the students, all the human beings who have intellect, who have the power to create, and who have created actually many things, but they don't know how to protect it. So it is not a legal lecture, it is not a technical lecture, it is just basic lecture to find out that where in our surroundings we find IPR. So the topic, as it is, understanding the relevance and use of IPR in our daily lives. So it is all about in our daily lives. So before I start with the lecture, can anybody of you tell me that around you, can you identify any IPR? So around you, can you identify any IPR? Intellectual property, very right, your cell phone, It's always with you. Any other types of IPR are around you? So just find out. Can you identify one of the product that he has identified, that is the cell phone? Any other?
Smartwatches,
Smartwatches, very right. Laptops, brilliant. The mic, yes it is. Projector, true. Switchboards, ceiling fans. Anything else? Everything around us is created by ideas, by intellect, and these are intellectual property rights. So, as you have mentioned that switchboard, mic, phone, can you specify me that under which branch of IPR these are covered? Like, let's begin with the cell phone. It is electronic invention, but which branch of IPR is protecting this invention? The mic.
the technology behind this.
Yes, the technology is there, and where the technology is protected, how the technology is protected, which law is protecting it, where will you go to get registered this technology? If you have a new technology, you are creating a new device, where will you go to protect it? Sorry? It is not IT Act. IT Act is a separate field, it is not the branch of IPR. So today we will be discussing, or we will be segregating that all the items which you have just identified, where you get it registered, how you get it registered. So do we have, how can we change the slides? Okay, so before again I come to those branches, I have a story for you. This is a map. I can't see it like this. A map of China and Taiwan. Do you know what is Taiwan? Ki hai Taiwan? Is it a country? Sure. What is the political status of Taiwan?
India country. India country.
There another party of Communist China.
So there is disputed status of Taiwan. So you are also very right. India doesn't have any diplomatic relationships with Taiwan. So why I have highlighted China and Taiwan? Reason is there is a story also. It is related to IPR also, and I just want to highlight the importance of IPR in the whole world. So Taiwan, it is a very small island near China. The mainland China is claiming that Taiwan is their territory, and the little island Taiwan, it is claiming that mainland of China is their territory. So I won't be going to the history, but they are fighting with each other for the sake of political denomination and for the sake of political rule. So Taiwan, this is very small island, and China can occupy it at any time. ठीक है, दोनों एक दूसरे को claim कर रहे हैं. So if China wish, they can attack it and they can claim it. But China cannot do that. Reason is the intellect of this small island. This small island is having intellect, and they are at the top position of creating those semiconductor chips which you are using in your cell phone. Next slide, please. This is a company. Name of the company is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacture Corporation. 80% of the total semiconductor chips which are being used in all over the world is being produced here. This is a fabrication company. This is at the topmost position in the whole world. And these semiconductors are created by applying the intellect of the people of the Taiwan. No doubt, China is also producing the semiconductor chips which we use in our cell phones or other technological products. And this chip is very important. Maybe in future your parents will put a chip inside you to just see that where you are going. So this is going to be a chip world. So this chip is very, very important these days in medical investigations, in scientific investigations, in technology. Chip is very important these days, and 80% of the world production of the chip is being done by this company, this small island. China can capture this island at any time, but the whole world is protecting it. Whenever China go to attack surrounding areas of Taiwan, US also comes in. US also attack that the country, and there can be a third world war because of this island. So US is the second important country which is manufacturing it. China is also manufacturing it, and you must be very surprised to know that the country which have intellect, the country which have the strongest IPR is going to be the most developed country in the coming era. So in the coming year, in the coming era, the country which is protecting its IPR, the country which is giving benefits to its people and trying to give facilities to its people to elaborate their IPR, only that country is going to succeed in this war of technology. So India is also creator of the chips, but India doesn't have any fabs. So to your surprise, India and Taiwan, they are not sharing any diplomatic relationship, but still they are in treaties with each other, they have deals with each other, and very soon the Tata Group in India is going to open the chip manufacturing company in Gujarat. So that is the importance of IPR in the whole world. If you are a very little country or island, but still you have intellect to serve the whole world, you will be protected, your intellect will be protected, and everyone will try to have a good relationship with you. Next slide, please. So coming to the branches of IPR, like now you just have counted or identified various products around you that these are IPRs. So one of the product was cell phone. So where it is protected, how you can register it. So there are major 8 or 9 branches of IPR. The first one is patent, then copyright, trademark, industrial design, geographical indications, trade secrets, integrated circuits, and many more. So IPR, it is an open branch. So what and where your idea is going to be protected, that is the main question. And that can be answered only if you know the difference between all these branches, that where you can protect what. So first is the case of cell phone. That was the question, that how you will protect your cell phone and where that technology is protected. So cell phone is something which is technologically created. It is a scientific invention. It is a technological invention. Someone somewhere applied their mind to create this particular instrument. Simply, this mic is also created. It is technological and scientific invention. This switches are technological scientific invention. Air condition, technological scientific invention. So all the inventions which are technological in nature, which are scientific in nature, these are protected under patent law. So patent is protecting science, patent is protecting technology. Many of you can make new things in the field of science and technology and get the patent also. So that means you have protected your IPR under patent law. Clear? Now what you need to get patent? If you have created a new innovation, okay, for example, ਤੁਸੀਂ आज सोच रहे हो कि ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਘੜੀ ਹੋਵੇ, ਉਹਦਾ ਬਟਨ on करो and you get invisible. So that is just an idea, but that is possible, isn't it? हो सकता है future च possible? Why not? ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ 100 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਵਾਇਰ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਕਾਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਪਰਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਐਟ ਦ ਅਦਰ ਐਂਡ ਆਫ ਦ ਵਰਲਡ? ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ? ਸੋ दैट नो इज द आंसर। आज जो चीज नो है अगर वो कल क्रिएट हो जाए, दैट इज नोवेलिटी, दैट इज समथिंग न्यू, पेटेंट विल बी ग्रांटेड टू दैट। But if certain other conditions are available, and those conditions are, the first thing is there should be an element of novelty। नवी चीज होनी चाहिए। आज तो पहले सुनिया ही ना होवे, जो सुनिया भी होवे तो किसी ने क्या हुए, नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता। सेकेंड थिंग इज नॉन ऑब्वियसनेस, अपने आप नहीं होएगा, इट इज ओनली विद ह्यूमन इंटरवेरेंस। ठीक है, ह्यूमन इन्वेंशन शुड बी देयर, स्टेप्स शुड बी देयर, इन्वेंटिव स्टेप्स शुड बी देयर। देन थर्ड इज नॉन एंटिसिपेशन, आज तो पहले किसी ने वो चीज सोची ही ना होवे, वो ही चीज हो सकती है। एंड द फोर्थ थिंग इज इट शुड बी फॉर पब्लिक पर्पस, लोगों ने भले लिए वो चीज होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, इफ इट इज नॉट फॉर पब्लिक पर्पस इट कैन नॉट बी पेटेंटेड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you know about cloning? की होती है? It is the replica, and science and technology is used for creating that replica. You know the name of the first clone? Dolly, very right. Dolly, she was the first clone, and after creating that technology, people were of the view that why not we can create human clones. So human clones can be created by applying the same technology, and this is a new invention which is having the element of novelty, which is having the element of non-obviousness, which is having the element of non-anticipation. क्या आज तो 50 साल पहले 100 साल पहले कोई नहीं कह सकता सी कि हाँ जी किसी का रेप्लिका भी बन सकता है, but still was created. So this is an invention, but its invention cannot be patented. क्यों पेटेंट नहीं हो सकती? What can be the impact अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ही क्लोन्स बन जाए? So positives नालों negatives ज़्यादा होंगे। ठीक है, crime rate can increase। ਤੁਸੀਂ खुद कॉलेज नहीं आओगे, किन्हों भेजोगे? क्लोन ਨੂੰ भेज दो, है ना? सुबह नींद नहीं खुली, so you will order your clone to go and attend the classes so that attendance should be complete. So this is a kind of invention which is not good in nature, which is not for public purpose. So any invention which is not for public purpose, like atomic energy, cannot be patented. Something which is destructive in nature cannot be patented. कोई ऐसी चीज जो तुसी create ना कीती है, it is your idea, but it is not having the element of public purpose. So 4 elements should be there in your invention. If you make any invention, or if any inventor comes to you for getting the patent, if you all belong to technology, I suppose, technology the student हो, so there is, we have technology students here, engineering students, biotechnology, commerce background. So if you belong to these fields, there is a career for you, and that career is for patent attorney. Patent attorney ना ऐसा career है जो तुसी अपनी graduation के बाद जाके apply कर सकते हो. You have to appear for one exam and you can be patent attorney. और कोई भी patent attorney की help के बिना patent नहीं हो सकता. Any invention cannot be patented without the help of patent attorney. So patent is, or IPR is a limited property. Limited property की होती है? Like principal sir gave you an example of your property. Your house is your property. Your phone is your property. कितनी देर तक है तुम्हारी property है?
एक particular time तक।
How long your house belongs to you?
उसके राइट्स तुम्हारे पास।
जब तक उसके राइट्स आपके पास हैं, जब तक आप उसको ट्रांसफर नहीं कर दो, जब तक की डेथ ना हो जाए और वो सक्सेशन में ना चला जाए, टिल दैट टाइम इट इज योर प्रॉपर्टी. दैट मीन्स इट इज परमानेंट प्रॉपर्टी. बट IPR is not permanent, it is limited property. Limited property means that your rights are your only for a time period and your invention belongs to you only for a time period that is 20 years. If today you are creating any invention, it is for 20 years. So it is only for 20 years. This is for a time period and that time period is only a time period that is 20 years. Am I audible without mic?
Yes.
Yes, so that will be more convenient. I can see your faces also. So only then I will. So 20-year time cube. IPR are ideas. Ideas कितों आते हैं? कभी खराब ideas भी आते हैं, कभी अच्छे ideas भी आते हैं. So do you have ideas or somewhere else कोई super power है जो तुम्हारे mind से कोई idea दे रही है, suddenly तुम कहते हो I have an idea. Do you create idea? And somehow it is natural. Nature is placing ideas in your mind. That nature can place positive ideas also, negative ideas also. So positive ideas ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ develop ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ and you create an invention, you get a patent. Negative idea ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਬਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਕਦੀ-ਕਦੀ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ हैं. Okay? So ideas are natural and something which is given by nature, it is your duty to return it to nature, isn't it? जो कुदरत सानू दे रही है, साडी duty है कि ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਦਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਦੇਣਾ. That is the reason your invention is not your forever. It is only for a time period of 20 years. After the expiry of 20 years, it is going to be in public domain. That means कि कोई भी उन ਤੁਹਾਡੇ idea ਨੂੰ construct कर सकता है. If you have created an invention, anyone can take that formula and make an invention. But for 20 years, you will be paid the royalty. You will be paid the recognition. Forever you are the owner. Bulb किने invent किया सी? So he is known with that. But after that, he has transferred this technology for public purpose. So the public purpose is very important. Whenever you are creating any idea, when you are making any invention, the most important thing is that public purpose should be served. If it is something which is not serving public purpose, it cannot be patented. And in case of invention, registration is mandatory. Registration का मतलब है unless and until you go to patent office, take the help of patent attorney, go through the procedure, make a search कि ਤੁਹਾਡੀ invention पहला तो नहीं exist करती, you cannot get it registered. There is another story of turmeric. Turmeric की है, you know that? हल्दी, उन्हें benefits भी पता है. So turmeric is something which belongs to Indian biodiversity, Indian nature. इतने ही उगाई जाती है. लेकिन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मिसिसिपी ने टर्मरिक ਨੂੰ पेटेंट करवा लिया, ये कह के that this is something new, this is novel and we have created. Reason being that they took that biopiracy, they took that bio or diversity from India. India तो टर्मरिक ले गए, ਉੱਥੇ जाके उन्होंने बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के प्रिंसिपल्स अप्लाई किए, टर्मरिक तो दवाइयाँ बनानियाँ शुरू कर दिया और बेचनियाँ शुरू कर दिया. And when Indian came to know about this patent, they filed a revocation petition and got the patent of turmeric of University of Mississippi revoked. नहीं था कि होना सी, we have to pay royalty to that university for the use of turmeric in our kitchen walls. ऐसी तरह they got neem का पत्ता की uses होते that is used in beauty products and that has a medicinal value also. So only भी उन्होंने patent करवा लिया, but still that particular patent was also revoked. So this is how India got awakened that how we can protect our IPR, and that is the reason we are here talking and discussing about IPR, because all of us has ideas. Our ideas are really strong, but we are not creating it, not giving it material form. If you give your ideas a material form, you can register it in your name and no one can use it. But ideas are not protected. It is only the material form of the idea. Okay? मेरा idea है कि मैं बटन दबावा तो उन्हें गायब हो जाऊँ. That is not patented. If I create a particular product which actually actually materializes my idea, then only I can be given patent. So patent here, it is a kind of recognition which government gives to you for a time period that is only 20 years. Then talking about something which is non-patented, कुछ चीज़ां patent नहीं हो सकती हैं. As I gave you the example of cloning, why it cannot be patented? Because it is against natural law. Law of nature they against. The birth of human being is natural. It cannot be artificial. Anything which is against nature cannot be patented. Similarly, anything which is contrary to public order or morality. मैं कोई ऐसी गेम, ऐसी मशीन बना दा जिदे नाल की होए ऐसी जुआ खेलना शुरू कर देगी. That cannot be patented because it is something which is against morals and values, against public morality. Discovery of scientific principle. Discovery की है. What is the difference between invention and discovery?
इन्वेंशन किसी चीज को बनाना,
Right.
डिस्कवरी करना, किसी चीज को खोजना, जो पहले से पड़ी है उसको ढूंढना.
बिल्कुल सर. So discovery की है something which is already in existence in nature और उनमें से लव ले. That is discovery. Patent is not granted for discoveries. So very recently there was a scientist, he discovered a microorganism and he filed a patent for microorganism. His patent was rejected. He said this microorganism is having the element of novelty. ये नवा है. आज तो पहले किसी ने सुनिया भी नहीं. ये uses इन्ने अच्छे हैं और इन्ने uses नाल की होएगा vegetables और fruits जिहड़े हैं that will or their production will be increased. That is such kind of microorganism present in nature and I have created that. I have found it. Then he said it is non-obvious. आज तो पहला किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं, किसी ने बनाया ही नहीं. I have taken steps to find out that microorganism. It is non-anticipated. It is for public good. But that patent was not granted. Reason means that only and only inventions having all these four elements are granted patent. Something that microorganism was already in existence in soil. He just found out that and वो दे extracts निकाल के बोलने वो चीज़ां दे विच मिट्टी च मिला के इस्तेमाल करने शुरू कर दिते just to increase the production. That was a protein microorganisms. So that is not an invention. That is just use of something which is already given by nature. So anything which is given by nature, you cannot take credit of that. That is a discovery. Then mere arrangement and rearrangement of devices. Like you see, phone ਨੂੰ अपने laptop ਨਾਲ connect कर दिता, laptop ਨੂੰ mic ਨਾਲ connect कर दिता, mic ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ photographies ਨਾਲ connect कर दिता. What we are doing, we are applying our mind, and what we are doing, we are creating or arranging these devices to get the new results. So that cannot be patented. Yes, like someone come to your home और बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स ਤੁਹਾਡੇ आ गए हैं, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ मैं लस्सी बनानी है पर मिक्सी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਂ थोड़ी थोड़ी बनेगी, ऐसा करता है वॉशिंग मशीन 'ਚ बना दिया. That is not possible. So कहोगे this is a new idea. Why not to get it patent? Because it is just an idea where you have there arranged or rearranged already existing devices cannot be patented. Then method of agriculture, method of operating surgeries cannot be patented because these are processes. Processes cannot be patented. हर किसी का teaching का अपना तरीका है, हर किसी का डॉक्टर का ऑपरेट करने का अपना तरीका है. That can be different from one to another. But if that is having the idea of newness, cannot be patented because patent is given only in the field of science and technology. Then plants, animal and microorganism cannot be patented. Mathematical methods. Abacus is a method of calculation. Vedic maths is a method of calculation. ऐसे तरह तुसी भी कैलकुलेट करते हुए कोई नवा तरीका यूज कर लो, लाइक व्हाइल यू आर राइटिंग योर नोट्स ਉਹਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਵਾਂ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਕੀ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਫਸਟ ਐਲਫਾਬੈਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਡ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ 'ਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵਰਡ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਸਕਣ. ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਯੋਰ method, but it cannot be protected or it cannot be patented. So anything which is not scientific in nature, which is not technological, which is not having the element of novelty, where human being has not taken any inventive step, cannot be patented. So all inventions cannot be patented. Only those which are having 4 elements can be patented. What rights you will be given? बहुत सारे rights हैं. Once you make an invention, so many rights are given to you. First thing, you have exclusive right to use. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਉਸ invention formula ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ use नहीं कर सकता. If anyone want to use it, then they will make payment to you. They will make payment of royalty to you, and you will transfer legally rights, but not all the rights. You will just give a license. Permission दोगे कि मेरी particular formula ਨੂੰ particular time period तक ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. Then right to transfer, right to enforce. If anyone infringes your right, you can move to court. You can file an infringement suit. Right to surrender is also there. Right to restore is there. So this was about patent. I hope by now you know that where science and technology is going to get registered. Next branch of IPR is copyright. Copyright is the only law on this world which give you right to copy. Nakal maran the right thing. Okay. But you cannot copy any other's creation. You can only copy your own creation, and copyright is giving protection. Like patent was giving protection in the field of science and technology. Copyright is giving protection in the field of literary work. What is literary work?
Books and
Very right. Books, poems, songs. Or,
Any content creating.
sorry,
Content creating.
content is created. You know, for 3 hours in your exams, you are writing. किस तरह लिख रहे हो? How you are writing? रट्टे मार के. मेहनत इतना हार्ड वर्क है. So रट्टे मारना is a big thing. हर कोई नहीं मार सकता. मैं तो खुद ही जानी हूँ. So you have worked hard. You have found out certain phenomena कि किस तरह मैं लिखा देकर. So what you are writing is by applying your ideas. That is your copyright. But अपना copyright ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਤਾ? You have transferred your rights to your examiner, to your college, and in return you are given grades, marks. So copyright is something which you create by applying your idea in the field of literary work. Like sir ने ज़्यादा दिमाग लगा के question paper बनाए, so that question paper belongs to the teacher who has applied his idea to end or to add certain critical questions, technical questions, ताकि तुसी समझ ही ना पाओ. So ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਦਿਮਾਗ लगता है. Question paper framing is very difficult task. बहुत मुश्किल है. We are bound कि भाई पिछले questions repeat ना हो, so change the language. It take time also. It take hard work also. It take your resources also. So anything which is taking hard work, time, resources, that in the field of literary work, artistic की है, painting बनाई, ideas आए था painting बनाई. Dramatic work, you create a drama on a stage, again that is protected under copyright law. Musical work, if any of you compose music, you must be knowing that there is a language. That language is in musical connotations. So that music is also protected under copyright. Okay. Then next is cinematography. फिल्म देखने जाते हैं, एक सीधा साइन होता है under a circle. So that is sign or symbol of copyright. That means this copyright belongs to the producer. But in one cinema, you find that there is producer also, there is director also, there are artists, lyricists, songs, okay, music. So various copyrights are there. जिन्हें music compose किया, he is having the copyright of music, but he transfer his right to producer. Similarly, choreographer, he has created new dancing steps and he has transferred his right to the producer. So producer in return is making payment to them. उन्होंने copyright को खरीद लिया. And artist also. Artist कौन है? सलमान खान है. So सलमान खान की कर रहे हैं? He is performing in the movie. So
So that performance is also a subject matter of copyright. Right now, I am performing in front of you. So that is a live performance. When I am performing, the ideas which I am having, I am conveying it. I am giving it a material form. ऐसे तरह तुसी YouTube ते अगर reels बना रहे हो, do you make reels? नहीं? There is no YouTuber. Do you watch reels? फिर ते गलत गल है, उन्होंने थोड़ा टाइम कितना खराब किया है. You are giving them views, you are liking them. So you also have the capability. They are making money with your likes. And if you create a reel, कितनी देर दी होती है reel? Why not 1-2 minutes or 1 hour? That would be one reason viral नहीं होगी.
Because it would be monotonous for the viewers.
हाँ, it is one of the reason it is monotonous. Reason is copyright also. Like the content which you are creating, the content which you are using, that should not be copied content. अगर तुसी किसी और दी रील नु अपनी रील दे विच ऐड करके दिता, that is creating an issue of copyright. So creating reels, that is also a kind of performance. So every kind of performance which is live, which is recorded, that is subject matter of copyright. Movies, yeah. Software. If any software engineer is there, if you are creating software, do you have any software engineer? So how you create software?
Coding.
What is actually coding? What is the language of coding?
Python, C or Python.
And how you write these languages?
Like through creation, through mind and through software.
And what
Open source
exactly?
software.
Yes. How these software, in which language these softwares are created? Like A, B, C, D. How you give that commands?
A particular syntax is for.
Syntax is formed, and it is binary language, which you actually use in the form of zeros and ones. 0 means off and 1 means on. This way you give the command. Now this is a language. Softwares are also protected under copyright. So these are the subject matters where we give copyright protection. Then criteria, I have already told you. Patent law की criteria है novelty, non-obviousness, non-anticipation, public purpose. Here the criteria for copyright protection: if you have written a book, if you have written a poem, if you have made a drama, if you have created a cinema, if you have created any drawing, any artistic work, any sculpture, मूर्तियाँ बना रहे हो, software, if you are creating any of the product in the field of copyright, it should have the criteria of first originality, should be your original idea. Second, labor, you must have put in your hard work and labor. Third is you must have put in your resources. So अगर तुझे अपने resources put in कितने हैं, labor, hard work कितना है, the output is copyright. But like patent, copyright registration is not mandatory. The moment you have created a software, the moment you have written a book, that belongs to you. You are the owner of that book. Okay? I hope the difference between patent and copyright is clear. मैं मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं फिर पता चलेगा. Now what are the kinds of copyright? Very simple. Government work. अगर किसी किसी government employee हो, कोई भी काम कर रहे हो government के लिए, you are writing anything that belong to government. Similarly, anonymous work. Anonymous work means the author is not known. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ unpublished work ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, you don't know the name of the author, you can get it published not by your name but as anonymous work. Then pseudonymous work, something which is given a fictitious name. Okay? कुछ लोग अपनी आइडेंटिटी रिवील नहीं करना चाहते, वो fictitious नाम दे देते हैं. Poetry लिख दिया, but they gave a fictitious name, then it is pseudonymous work, again protected under copyright law. Posthumous work, किसी की डेथ हो जाती है, डेथ के बाद अगर कोई काम पब्लिश हो रहा है, it is protected under copyright. International bodies का कोई भी literary work है, protected as international work, and if it is belonging to any public department, then it is public. Now time period of patent is 20 years, because idea literary work, artistic work, dramatic work, musical work, it is protected for your life. अगर तुसी कोई किताब लिखी है, for lifetime you can enjoy royalty on that. But after life, for next 60 years. Similarly, if you are clicking a photograph click करो तो कौन है ओनर? जिसकी फोटो क्लिक की है वो, या जिसने फोटो क्लिक की है जिसने कि जिसकी? चलो एंड ਅਸੀਂ थोड़ा रिजर्व रखते हैं, एवरी स्टोरी ਤੇ मैं एंड जावांगी, ठीक है? सो एंड च बेटा तुसी आंसर देना है जिसने और जिसकी दोनों. We will come to that story. So here it is the photographer who is the owner. Again criteria देखो. He is using his knowledge, idea, labor, creating originality. So criteria if it is followed, hard work कर रहे हैं, फोटो खींचना भी आसान नहीं है. If you take the profession of wildlife photographer, so बहुत दिन वो जंगल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਿਤਾਉਂਦੇ हैं, and after that they get certain photographs or record certain sounds. So that need effort. So anything which has hard work, which has labor, which is original in nature, in the form of literary work, that is protected, and photo is the work of photographer. Then for anonymous and pseudonymous work, it is only 60 years. हर केस च lifetime नहीं है. Posthumous work 60 years. Cinema, movies are protected for 60 years. After 60 years, it falls in public domain. Okay, तुसी serials देखते होगे. Do you watch Star Plus or ZTV, Netflix? So these are also protected under copyright. These are known as broadcasters, and they have broadcasting rights. Okay. Are you watching IPL? Yes. कौन टेलीकास्ट कर रहे हैं IPL? और कौन कर रहे हैं? और
Disney
Hotstar. DD1 कर रहे हैं? Any other channel? Now reason being that these channels, they have purchased the broadcasting right from BCCI. Why? Because the performance of these artists, that is live. वो live match खेल रहे हैं. Live match ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ videograph नहीं कर सकते. You cannot click their pictures. You cannot make a video that amounts to infringement of copyright. कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਰਾਟ ਕੋਹਲੀ ਦੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਿੱਚ ਸਕਦੇ, ਅਗਰ ਸੈਲਫੀ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣੀ ਪਏਗੀ. ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ. ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਕਾਪੀਰਾਈਟ ਇਨ ਯੋਰ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸਵੇਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਬਹੁਤ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੇ, ਕੱਪੜੇ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਹੈ. ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸੂਟ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭਦੇ, ਭਰੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਅਲਮਾਰੀ, ਪਰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਪਾਈਏ ਕੀ. ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਸ਼ੋਰੂਮ 'ਚ ਜਾਈਏ, ਉੱਥੋਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋਈਏ, ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਵੀ ਰੀਚ ਦ ਕਾਲਜ. ਸੇਮ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਵਿਦ ਦੋਜ਼ love to wear brands. So you put hard work on your personality. Okay, makeup करते हो, तैयार होते हो कि अच्छे लगे. So you put every day, you want to look original. Originality भी थोड़ी personality च आ जाती है. Then hard work you put in, and you use resources also. Okay, तैयार होने लिए you need resources. So you also have copyright in your personality. Anyone cannot click your picture without your permission. That amounts to copyright infringement. Okay. And if you are making performances also, sort of college, university, youth festival participate करते हो, sport है ना, you get trophies also, winners भी है, भंगड़ा भी देखते हो. कभी देखिए कि उत्थे जाके have you watched the youth festival ever? उत्थे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ मना कर देते, you cannot make video of your own performances. Why? That is copyright infringement. लेकिन copyright तो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ है, you are performing there. You can make copy of your performance, but you cannot make copy there. Reason is that when you are signing the youth festival form, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਾਰਮ ਭਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਕਰੋ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ that copyright belongs to Guru Nanak Dev University. That means now you cannot take those videos and post it on YouTube, because you cannot make money out of the intellect of another person's. उते resources कौन तैयार कर रहा है? यूनिवर्सिटी. उन्होंने हार्ड वर्क किया. So when you sign it, the moment you sign that form, you assign your copyright to the university. Now you cannot make the copy of your performance. It is the right of the university authorities. और तुसी उन्हां तो demand कर सकते हो, उन्हां तो ले सकते हो. But you cannot make copy and you cannot viral. So that is the power of copyright. There are moral rights also, integrity rights also, neighboring rights. I have discussed. Actor की कर रहे हैं, acting कर रहे हैं. He has his performer rights. Singer is singing live. कभी देखिए सलमान खान नु गाते हैं किसी स्टेज शो ते. He will never sing or perform on one single song. वो अपनी मूवी के क्लिप्स पे डांस करेगा. Reason? Songs में copyright होते हैं and Salman Khan is not the owner of all the songs where he has performed. So he can only take extracts of 5 seconds, 10 seconds so that he can perform on that. अगर वो पूरे गाने से डांस करेगा, परफॉर्म करेगा, that amounts to infringement of law. So what amounts to infringement? Generally you should know this कि केड़ा काम करांगे तो infringement होएगी. One of the thing that I have told you, you cannot click picture of any person without their knowledge. Okay? You cannot record, make recordings. Live match भी देखने जा रहे होते उससे भी पूरी recordings नहीं कर सकते. कर रहे होते अपने personal use नहीं कर सकते. You cannot use or utilize it for making money or for posting it on YouTube. So illegal downloading and file sharing. Microsoft के बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर हैं. We hack, generally people hack it and download it. That is infringement. Streaming content without permission. You understand this also? Unlicensed use of images and videos. You cannot use any image in your content. You cannot use any video in your content and make money out of the intellect of another person. Plagiarism. When you are writing any article, when you are writing any book, you cannot use literature without acknowledging the true author and creating derivative works. So what are derivative works? Derivative works are like you have written a story. See, kitab likhi, you have written a story and on the basis of that story, I am producing a film. That amounts to infringement. That is a derivative work. I have changed the form of your original work and creating it. So मैं कहूँगी मैं मेहता थोड़ी चीज़ नू चुराया नहीं. You have written story. I have made movie. That is a different thing. That is the two अलग different fields of copyright. मैं अपनी originality देती है, अपना hard work देता है. But I should have the permission of the true story owner. So if I have not sought that permission, then it amounts to infringement. The third branch. So how many of you love to wear brands? Why? अच्छा ये जो है ब्रांड दी किस feeling, both quality, status, very good.
Flex करते हैं सब.
Great job, say.
Flex like
Show off.
originality.
Lord. Finally, sir, vocabulary the we are not rich in that. I have added a new word in my vocabulary today. So, why we go for brand? So many reasons are there. But another reason I am failed to understand that why we are ready to pay more money if we get copies also, if we get better products, ordinary products in local markets.
For their originality.
For originality is one of the reasons.
Faith.
ज़्यादा पैसे क्यों देना चाहिए?
Faith होता है.
True. Faith is there. You understand the quality. You know the manufacturer.
And the logo speaks for the brand.
Yes, logo speaks. Logo speaks about the manufacturer. That means you are consumer. And if logo is not there, you won't be able to know the manufacturer. And if you don't know the manufacturer, okay, as in McDonald's क्यों prefer करते हैं, KFC क्यों prefer करते हैं, these are brands. And we know the quality, we know the manufacturers. So if you know the manufacturer, you have the trust also. You have all other qualities which a brand have, and that is the reason they have increased the prices. But they have increased the prices due to one another reason also, and that reason is that they have registered their brand in their name. So उन्होंने अगर registration की थी and they have spent money also, they have created their brand. Okay, Adidas का meaning की Adidas is the brand logo. What it means?
All day I dream about sports.
That is created once. So I appreciate it also. मैंने पता नहीं थी सर कि वो यहाँ पे फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगा. What I feel is maybe sir is right. Adidas is a word which is created by applying ideas. It doesn't have any dictionary meaning. So jumbled words like नवी चीज बना देती. So here again idea is playing very important role. So why trademark is one of the branch of the IPR? Reason being जिन्हें तुसी logos देखोगे, जिन्हें तुसी brands देखोगे, can be any number also, it can be any word also. ठीक है 555 555 for soap. Lux doesn't have any dictionary meaning, but it is a soap. We know that. Tata is a brand, Adidas, and there are various brands. So we go for that brand without understanding their meaning. Reason being that they have established by their ideas and efforts in the market, and this brand is an identity between consumer and manufacturer. So अगर identity ना होए, the market ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਚਲੇ which thing is having good quality and which is bad quality. So trademark is given for products, you know. Services are also there. So services like banking is a services, hotel is a services, you go to a bank, insurance is a services, so you go for HDFC insurance. Why? Because they have given a brand name to their services. You know the manufacturer, you know the service providers. Netflix, again they are providing services. Amazon, Disney, Hotstar, these all are the brands. So they are providing services. That is why the mark which they are using, that is known as service marks. Then one of the mark is certification mark. Have you seen a green square and green dot inside it on food products? What it conveys?
Vegetarian.
Or brown? Hallmark? FSCII?
Like food is exactly.
So all these are not created mark by any manufacturer. These are known as certification mark. And what it conveys? Again, it is conveying the quality. So अगर McDonald ने कह दिया कि मेरे बर्गर की क्वालिटी बहुत हाई है, पहला चेक की जाएगी. Government will check that. Government will give it a certification mark, and that certification mark is also protected under trademark. Then internet domain name, it is also a mark. Google, it is also a trademark because they are providing the services under these trademarks. How you can create a mark? There are various forms. Brand is a mark. Word, ठीक है, कोई भी word हो गया. You can name any Lux, that is a mark. Then devices, Adidas के ऊपर बने होंगे crocodiles या But you understand what I want to convey? They use certain picture or brand on it, use any devices to just create their identity. That is also a mark. Symbol, name, surname, or Royce is a name or surname. Numerals, color scheme. See, windows open कर दो. Then what you see? Combination of colors, they are coming together. So that is a color scheme. अगर वो scheme किसी और software ने अपने लिए इस्तेमाल कर ले, then that amounts to infringement. Have you opened the phone like Apple? Adda apple, khaya hua apple. That is very famous. So that is also a brand. If somebody use it, that amounts to infringement of their trademark. So similarly, there are various marks in the society. Purpose of these marks is just to create an identity in the market and connect consumer with the manufacturer. एक ही है अजीब ही है चेयर good does it look a normal chair will you buy it क्यों so lovely भैया so the first thing you go to market and attract you appeals your eye is the design और a design भी किसी ने दिमाग नाल idea नाल create किया होगा so whatever is created by applying the idea becomes the branch of IPR. This is designer chair. So designer chair are costly also. Why? Because they are created. They have the element of novelty. That is a new idea. नवे तरीके ਨਾਲ किसी ने बनाया है मैं आज तो पहले ऐसा चेयर नहीं देखा so that means something which is new introducing the society to something which is new so designs are protected like you go to market the girls go to market and purchase suits जैसे कहने हैं कि भाई वो सूट नहीं ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਪਾਇਆ वो डिजाइन होना चाहिए ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਹੋ तो वो भी बड़ी तारीफ करते हैं मैडम ਇਹ जचेगा बड़ा ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੀ ਖੋਲਿਆ है ना so just that design appeals to you and that design is created boys also they go for designer watches कार देखकर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਝੱਲੇ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਹਾਈ ਮਰਸੀਡੀਜ਼ है ना ऑडी और पता नहीं कितना इतना ये कार्स है मतलब you just look at the design of the car ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ कार्स ਇੱਕੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ so you just look at the design of the car wow this is new ये कुछ नया किया है I wonder कि how these new generation भाई ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ डिमार्केट कितना कर लेंगे कि नया डिजाइन है what is the difference that is designer car designer shoes are there yes so you go for branded shoes designer shoes all these designs are just created for the purpose of so the purpose is just to increase the sale so that means it is something which is industrial in nature industrial property है अगर तुसी किसी भी चीज ਨੂੰ ਨਵਾਂ डिजाइन दे दोगे ना ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ that has that industrial application saleable capability है layout design so till now I think I have talked about designs on मैं copyright ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ design ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ trademark also talking about design Design Act is also talking about design and this new branch of IPR it is also talking about design so 4 kinds of designs but you must know केड़ा design किथे protect होगा which law so अगर तुसी बैठे बैठे बोर हो रहे हो और मेरी फोटो बना देती पेंटिंग बना देती जनरली we do this ना टीचर्स ਦੀ फोटो बना देते हैं so वो की है ਤੁਹਾਡਾ आर्ट है ਤੁਹਾਡਾ आइडिया है ਤੁਹਾਡੀ क्रिएशन है that is protected under copyright that is 2 dimension पर अगर उसे डिजाइन नो ਅਸੀਂ आइडेंटिटी बना ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਿਸੇ प्रोडक्ट ਦਾ और मार्केट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੇਚਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ and consumer know the manufacturer from that design that becomes trademark if the similar design we apply on cars we apply on suits we apply on jewelry and enhance its sale it is protected under Design Act but here the design which I am talking about is as the picture is showing की है this is circuit chips so these chips are kind of integrated semiconductor ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ chips ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀ डिजाइनिंग ਕੀਤੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ अगर वो डिजाइनिंग ना हो तो फोन नहीं चलेगा so that design which is having functional aspect on which the function of a product is applied, that is known as integrated design, which is the another branch of IPR. Then coming to certain legislative initiative, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ patent ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ protect ਕਰੋਗੇ. So if you have any invention, as I told you, you can be a patent attorney. ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ career ਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੁਣ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ field ਹੈ ਔਰ IPR ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੱਥੇ jobs ਹੈ. So if you are going for patent, then Patent Act of 1970 provides you registration. If you are going for copyright registration, then it is the Copyright Act of 2012-13. If you are going for trademark, it is Trademark Act of 1999. अगर design register करवाना है, Design Act of 2000. If it is semiconductor integrated circuits, chips बनानी है, उन्हें register करवाना है, again the Act of 2000. Biological diversity protect करनी है, again the Act of 2002. Trade secret and traditional knowledge is not legally protected, it is contractually protected. Okay? There was a company, you must be knowing, Coca-Cola. Do you like that? India Coca-Cola? Why? Its taste is different. So Coca-Cola company आज को 100 साल पहला, और जब ये कंपनी खुली, एट दैट टाइम कंपनी के ओनर्स ने अपने मैनेजर्स को किया कि असी तो एक नवी चीज़ बना रही है, पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट, सो असी सेल इंक्रीज करनी है, सो उन्होंने डिजाइनर बॉटल्स बना ली. सो दैट बॉटल इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द डिजाइन विच नो वन कैन कॉपी. सो उन्होंने मार्क दे दिता, ट्रेडमार्क बना लिया. Now coming about science and technology, that formula of preparing Coca-Cola, that was created scientifically and technologically. किधर से protect होएगा? Patents. But the owner, they didn't apply for patent. क्यों? 20 साल के बाद पब्लिक हो जाना, कहता 20 साल रहेगा, उसके बाद सब enjoy करेंगे. तो उसने क्या किया? He kept it as a trade secret. Because there is no law on trade secret, there is no time limit on this secret. So generally food commodity, so he still has that secret, but he has taken a big risk. Secret कभी भी चोरी हो सकता है. जिन्ने भी managers है, they know the secret and they can leak it out. But still, even today, they have this much big firm and sale, but still their secrets is not leaked because they have protected their IPR through their IP managers. If you are pursuing commerce or pursuing management, you can have a career with big industries as IP manager to give them ideas that how they can protect their secrets or business matters. So you have scope in industry, your qualification, if it is in electrical, if it is in communication engineering, computer science, mechanical domain है. If you have a bachelor degree in the field of engineering, you have these two opportunities that is open, and even law people cannot come here because they don't have technical knowledge. Technical knowledge अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ है, you can be a patent research analyst and a patent drafter. So patent is the only field where science and technologies are playing part. India ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बहुत ज़्यादा patent infringement है, but patent registration ਦੇ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ patent attorney ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, और search ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ patent analyst है. So आज भी अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ Google ਤੇ ਜਾਓ, you find multiple jobs in these fields. Then if you belong to commerce and management, if you are qualified in biotechnology, biochemistry, molecular biology, life sciences, pharmaceutical industry is there for. They also need IP manager. They also need search patent और patent search analyst. इनका काम की है कि अगर कोई invention हुई, I told you that invention should have the element of novelty, non-anticipation, non-obviousness, public purpose, and check कि invention दुनिया में कितने बोर्ड है. It is difficult to search. They need analytical people, technological people, science people to search कि जो आज जैसी बना लिया वो दुनिया में कितने बोलता नहीं है. Like COVID, Corona, and medicine was invented in various parts of the world, and one इंडिया ने पेटेंट करवाया बट इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री डिडंट गेट पेटेंट ऑन रीजन कि अगर वो पेटेंट करवाते 7 साल तक पेटेंट मिलते नहीं लगते. It is a that lengthy process that from the date of application 5 or 6 years takes. Then they just circulated this medicine. They made certain human tests, animal tests. उन्होंने किए अपने आप उन्होंने तसल्ली दी that this is a safe medicine, but they didn't get patent because they don't want to claim any royalty. Patent is a kind of monopoly also. So they don't want to create monopoly. They completely created it for public purpose. Then if it is law qualified after your graduation, you join LLB or do your masters in law. The role is trademark analyst, patent, lawyers are there, advocates are there who are specifically practicing in the field of IPR. So what IPR or IP managers are in demand. Key hai OTT platform. These are the sectors where jobs are multiple. OTT platforms are there. Food sector is there. Pharmaceutical industry is there. Cloth industry है जिथे डिजाइन ਦੀ सर्च की जाती है. सोलर सेक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा ही है. हर कोई जानता है कि ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ 'ਚ सोलर पैनल्स लगवा देंगे. So this is a new industry where IP managers are required. Telecommunication industry, agrochemical industry, you can search multiple jobs to suit your qualification. So management students हैं, then I have told you that there are various management IP skills. Managers की कर दिया जो कोका-कोला के manager ने किया. उन्हें की क्या? Patent ना करवाना, trade secret रखना. So managers they have ideas for their big industries. How do you like this? Can you identify IPR? Yes, Mercedes still जिन्हें किसी IPR पढ़े हैं उन तक branches पढ़ी हैं. Can you identify that? Where is trademark? The logo. Or
पेटेंट भी पेटेंट मॉडल जिहदा इंजन का इधर ट्रेडमार्क का अलग होगा. ठीक है, डिजाइन का भी पेटेंट हो सकता है. उनका स्पेसिफिक डिजाइन होगा भी हो सकता है. कॉपीराइट स्पेसिफिक कोई टेक्नोलॉजी कोई चीज लगा सकते हैं.
टेक्नोलॉजी कॉपीराइट नहीं ਹੁੰਦੀ. पेटेंट भी ਤੁਸੀਂ फाइंड कर लिया लाइक ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਹੈ कि शायद शीशे अख के झपकन नाल खुल जान. दैट इज टेक्नोलॉजी है ना. चुटकी मारन नाल रूफ ओपन हो जाए. दैट इज टेक्नोलॉजी. फॉर दैट टेक्नोलॉजी पेटेंट मतलब ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ मोर देन 1 लाख पेटेंट्स है. इतनी ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी है. छोटी छोटी चीज में पेटेंट करवाते हो सकता है. मिरर ब्रेकेबल ना होवे, अनब्रेकेबल है. अगेन न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. So you have found patent is there, trademark is there, then design, copyright कितने है?
कोई म्यूजिक है ना इंस्टॉल किया अपना जे कंपनी बाय चांस यूजरली
बिल्कुल सही. म्यूजिक इज कॉपीराइटेड. So जो गाने तुम सुन रहे हो that is so this way any commodity, any product around you, it has abundant IPRs. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ? किस तरह फोल्डेबल डिजाइन टच स्क्रीन इज अ टेक्नोलॉजी दैट इज पेटेंट. कलर स्कीम, डिजाइन, लोगो, ब्रांड. So by now you know that which part of any commodity is protected under which law. Okay, कितने register हुए. Layout design, display is not layout design. वो भी technology है और patent च आएगी. The chip layout design फिर तो समझो layout design means design of semiconductor chip which is designed for its function. ਇਹ ਫੋਨ ਚੱਲੇਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਗਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ chips ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਔਰ chip ਚੱਲੇਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਗਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ designing ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ. Sir, do we have here like chip designing course? So why you need to know IPR? If there is software engineer ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਹੜੇ law ਦੇ ਅੰਡਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ protection ਦੋਗੇ? Anyone? If there is any software engineer come to you, that where should I go? Where I should register my software?
Technology and
Software engineers की बना रहे हैं? Softwares, and softwares are the subject matter of. It is copyright. ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੇ. Softwares are programs which are running on a particular language like Python or binary language. Language is literary work. लेकिन ਤੁਸੀਂ सही हो थोड़ा. सही क्यों हो? Because that is a conflict going on between Western and Eastern countries. Western countries they prefer to give patent. Eastern countries prefer to give copyright. लेकिन Eastern countries कहती है if it is a software uploaded with hardware and the function of the hardware is totally dependent on software, it can be patented. Otherwise, अगर additional softwares ਤੁਸੀਂ hardware ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ upload ਕੀਤੇ हैं, then it is the subject matter of copyright. पहला copyright लो, then you can upload. Next is, अगर कोई fashion designer आ रहा है, कितने लेके जाओगे उन्हें? Where you will protect him? की बना रहे हैं fashion designer? Where designs are protected? पेटेंट किस तरह? ट्रेडमार्क किस तरह? What is the role of fashion designer? Make clothes, design clothes. Designer clothes are protected under designer. Okay. Designer jewelry, designer clothes, designer watches, designer cars, where the design is appealing your eye. फैशन डिजाइनर का की काम है ऐसी चीज बना देना कि देखन चीज इतनी अच्छी लगे कि ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖਰੀਦ ਲਓ. Then if any advertising agency comes to you, advertising agency's function is to advertise. Advertise वो किस तरह करेंगे की करेंगे? They will take your brand and that is protected under trademark. Graphic designers. Copyright. Again, it is in binary language. Graphics are created. It is artistic work. Artist, inventor, musician, architect. Architecture. It is copyright. The work of architect is carbon wire. आर्किटेक्ट ने की कीता सी आके डिजाइन बनाया सी कि डिजाइन बनाया सी नक्शा बनाया सी है ना. सो उन्हें दसिया किचन किस तरह होनी चाहिए. सो ही गेव यू अ मैप. क्या तुझे क्या कुछ नवा होना चाहिए किसी का घर इतना बढ़िया ना हो. सो ही गेव यू अ न्यू डिजाइन, लॉट्स ऑफ मनी फ्रॉम यू. ये नवा है कितने नहीं. सो whatever we draw, whatever we create in the form of design चार तरह है. Again I repeat, when you draw a design that is copyrighted, when you make that design as identity of a product that is trademark, ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹ design ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ product ਤੇ apply ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਦੀ value enhance ਕੀਤੀ, that is design act. And when it is a functional design like chip, it is layout design. Now this is quiz for you. You can raise hand. I read the question and options for you. Which one of the following is best explanation of patent? A right granted to an inventor that prevents anyone from using the inventor's invention without permission for an indefinite period of time. Second option is an intellectual property. And the third option is an intellectual property granted by government to an inventor that prevents anyone from using the invention for a specific period of time. Yes, Vika. The third one, what it says?
Basically, the property is granted by the government to the inventor, like for a specific period of time, like 20 years.
Very good. Which of the following must be there for patentable invention? The criteria: newness, obvious, patented, resemblance. Patent for the dash is specifically prohibited by Patent Act 1970. It is true. Atomic energy. Patent Act के विच section 4 है जिसे specifically लिखा है कि atomic energy cannot be patented. It is destructive in nature. How one may legitimately use an invention that is patented by another? By obtaining a license, by purchasing the patent, by challenging the patent in court based on need, by either obtaining a license or purchasing the patent from patent holders.
Last.
Very right. So, clear question. नहीं सर, इनको पहले से आता है. ये तो रिवीजन है. Which one of the following is not patentable?
Fourth one. A newly discovered element occurring in fourth one.
Right. The fourth one, discoveries are not patented. Answer to the question. Which of the following cannot be copyrighted?
Practical
The practical use is not a field of copyright. Can lecture delivered in classroom be copyrighted? Yes. Occasionally. No. Yes, with the permission of principal. Can lecture delivered in the classroom be copyrighted?
Yes.
Under which law? Copyright law, the further keda branch? Okay, tell you a story.